In this lesson, we'll learn how to create a complete flowchart for product design. Drag a rectangle onto the canvas and label it Brainstorming. Then create another rectangle for New Product. The preceding steps for this are Trends and Research. So let's create these two rectangles as well. The next step after New Product is Prototyping. Drag in a diamond shape to indicate a branching point and label it Prototyping. Click the Connector Mode button in the toolbar and connect the flow elements. Adjust the diamond size. Create two preceding steps for prototyping, quick design, and refinement. Following prototyping, we'll add the steps for if it doesn't pass review. And if it does, the steps, design, implementation, and testing. Switch to connector mode and connect the flow elements. Label the branch lines with No and Yes as appropriate. Finally, adjust the text size as needed.